Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. So first off, I want to talk about the US markets. As you can see, the beginning of the week there was tension between the Europe, America, and because of the Greenland thing, but it solved. Trump stepped back and we didn't lose anything. So straight ahead, the stock markets are going for its all-time high again. This way is going to be all-time high because there is no resistance over here, and it seems so. Maybe in Monday or Tuesday, something like that, it will be hit to its all-time high level, for my opinion. So with the Dow Jones, same thing. It's so close to the all-time high again, but Dow Jones is moving little bit more slowly compared to the S&P and the Nasdaq because Dow Jones is the part of the industrial companies stock exchange, so it moves a little bit slowly, but it's heading for its all-time high. So also with the Nasdaq, where is Nasdaq? I'm looking for the Nasdaq. Oh, not this one, this one, yes, with the futures. Well, as you can see, the Nasdaq is going through with this trend line. I'm going to show you over here. This is a trend line since it started since November 2023, and it surges below the this trend line, the below level of this trend line. So maybe this is a buying opportunity for the Nasdaq. Who knows? Because we are waiting for an AI rally. It didn't happen yet. Yes, the markets are rising, but this is not a big rally. Okay, it gives us 10% a month. Yes, it is good, but we are waiting a rally like how can I say, like a gold one, like the gold is happening right now. So we are expecting about a rally within the AI, and Nasdaq will be lead to this rally. So we are expecting a rally with the AI and the Nasdaq. So maybe these sides are good for the buy, my opinion. Also, if we have to look at Russell with the weekly, well, it went to it up to another Watson level, but it's cool. Okay, it can be. It made a good price increasement over a trend. So maybe within a 1 week or 2 weeks, it can be stay in here and just gain some much momentum because it always break it all-time high since the 3 days. So this is good one. Sorry. The US market is healthy because Russell is making its all-time highs. That means not the only Magnificent Seven is breaking its all-time high levels. The all US market is breaking its all-time high levels, and this is a good thing because this means there's a rally coming with the AI hype. I will stop saying it because it didn't happen yet, and it will be soon, and I want to say it before the that rally begins. Well, it began, but not with the hype yet. So, sorry, I'm gonna go with the US 10 years. Well, I'm going to look at in the weekly. I'm going to close this. Within the weekly, it went to the Ichimoku levels because of the tensions between the Greenland, Europe, and America. It went up, but tension cooled off, so its US 10 years are going down. That's a good thing, and it made a gap over here. It will be closed. My opinion, maybe it can be go through in this cloud, as you can see over here, the screen cloud. It can be go through like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or something like that, and it will come down because Fed will be lower their interest rates. So this is a downside trend for the US 10 years. Maybe if you are to want to buy TLT or TMF, maybe you can buy through here because it went up really good, but it can wait you over here maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, 1 month, 2 months, or something like that. But my opinion, it's a good one. So if I have to continue with the VIX, well, the VIX, if you are going to look at the weekly, well, it was peaceful at the moment. Also, it was peaceful it was peaceful at the last week, but with the tensions between the Greenland, Europe, and the America, it's made the weeks that go up to the 20 levels, and that means there's a danger bells are coming. That means, but it didn't happen. Trump back down, so the weeks is go down, and that means the markets are peaceful to be make investment at the moment. So market seems peaceful. If I have to go with the gold, so well, I'm going to go with daily because it's surging up really fast. Well, in my last video, I told about gold. I'm going to enter again. Well, I said in the last video, I said the gold will be hit to the 1,100. Sorry, I'm going to make it again. Sorry, guys. Well, in my last video, I told you about the gold. I told you it will be going to the 5,160, and it's on its way 5,160. It's a Fibonacci level, and we will see what's going to be happen when it hit there, because there's no stoppage against the gold right now, and it can be go through here. We will have to see what's going to be happen after here, because gold and silver and all the commodities except oil is going up right now. This is a hype, so we can't see what's going to be happen because it's moving too fast for the gold, because gold has a $1 trillion of volume and it's moving too really fast, and we will make a commentary about it, but it seems like it will be hit to the 5,160 in the next week. It seems so. If I have to go with the silver, well, silver is always surprises us. Yes, it hit to the 100 level and it will be going to the 106 level. Well, I won't buy it from here because we are in the hype. We can't know where will it be going, but whenever this hype ends or something bubble bursts, it will be catastrophic for the people who bought it from here. So I wouldn't buy from here. I wouldn't be greedy about it. I bought it once, I sold it with a good profit, and I'm staying away from the silver. If I have to continue with the platinum, also platinum is a buy signal, gave us a buy signal yesterday. I made a video about it. So well, silver is how can I say, let me look. Well, it seems this, yes, well, it seems silver is going to be at 2,915 or 50 or something like that. It's heading for its way 10%. Well, these are too much for the commodities, but they are doing their stuff, so we will have to see what's going to be happen when it hit that level. And because we have to look more closer when the price is going more volatility with the volatility. So platinum is heading to the 2,915 levels. Also, I am going with the Bitcoin. Well, in the daily, Bitcoin went down to Ichimoku clouds bottom line, and it still surges through there. It tried to go below the Ichimoku cloud, but it didn't. So this is a kind of good news. If you look at the daily, in the 4 hour, it surges over the Kaufman moving average. Well, maybe this is I'm going to start over with the Bitcoin. Well, it seems like a good news for Bitcoin. As you can see in the technical view with the 4 hour chart, it surges through the Kaufman moving average and it's tried it really much, and it seems it can be break it, but I have to warn you, if it go below the 88,000 levels and ended the day with it, I'm talking about the US markets, because when the US markets are closed, volume will be down. So ended the day, if the US markets ends the day and the Bitcoin was below of the 88,000, that's a bad thing for the Bitcoin. But otherwise, if you go through the 90,000 levels, it can be a buy signal for the Bitcoin. I'm going to say the same thing for the Ethereum also. This is same thing. Also XRP, because Bitcoin is a locomotive, and whenever the Bitcoin goes for one direction, and Ethereum and XRP follows it, also the altcoins are follow it if it's not manipulative. And it says us at the moment we have to wait for the Bitcoin to be rise up its head for the moment. It's all I can say right now. Well, XMR, yes. Well, this 500 level, I'm hopeful about XMR at the moment, because, well, as you can see over here, this is 5000, sorry, this is 500 level over here, and it went to there. This 500 level is its all-time high since the 2017, and it hit there for the 3 times, and it passed it, and it made its support at the moment. Well, it didn't break it. It still surges above the all-time high level, X all-time high level. Now it's a support. As you can see over here, there is a volume increasement. This is good. The volume is really up in the Monero at the moment, and if it goes past its Kaufman moving average, it's 550 at the moment. You can make a pace 1 buy at that moment. If you want to buy the pace 2, you have to wait 650, and my goal is in the Monero will be 2500 is my final goal for the Monero, but it can be happen in the 1 year or maybe 1.5 year, I don't know, but it will be go to the 2500. So thank you for watching me. See you all.